Today, we're learning the meanings and uses of precious, by accident, placeable, I am really sorry, and I forgive you. Let's begin.
Maya's favorite mug. She has had it for 5 years. She drinks her morning coffee from it every single day. Nobody is allowed to touch it. Nobody. Except Sam.
The mug is broken. Maya will be home in 20 minutes. And Sam has a plan.
Okay. Nobody saw this. Nobody knows. I can fix this.
Can he? Or will Maya find out before Sam can hide the evidence? Every morning, Maya makes her coffee. And every morning, she uses the same mug, a pale blue mug with a small painted sun on it.
Perfect. You talk to that mug like it is a person. It is not just a mug, Chloe. It is history. It is just a cup, Maya. Sam, you are never, ever to touch this mug. Understood? I know. Special mug. Do not touch. Got it? I mean it, Sam.
Maya, I would never touch your mug. I wonder how heavy it is, though.
This mug is precious to me. Precious. Precious means something very special, something you love very much and want to protect. For example, this mug is precious to me. Your family is precious. Time with the people you love is precious.
It really is quite nice, actually. Look at that little sun. Very good quality. I can see why she likes it. Easy. See? Totally safe. Even safer. Okay, think, Sam. Think. Maya comes home at 5. It is 4:40. I have 20 minutes. I can glue it. Yes, I can glue it and she will never know.
Sam broke the mug by accident. By accident. By accident means you did not mean to do it. It was not planned. It was a mistake. For example, I broke the cup by accident. I dropped my phone by accident. I said the wrong thing by accident. By accident.
Wood glue. No. Super glue. Maybe. Craft glue. This is the one. Super glue. It fixes everything. Ow! Why is it called super glue? This is not super. This is terrible.
Hey, why are you standing like that?
Like what? I am standing normally.
Your hands are behind your back, Sam.
I am just stretching.
You are stretching.
Yes, my back hurts.
What is behind your back?
Nothing.
Sam.
Nothing, Chloe.
Sam, show me your hands right now. Is that Maya's mug?
Maybe.
Okay, we need a plan.
We?
You broke it, but I live here too. If Maya is upset, we are all upset.
So you will help me?
I will help you tell her the truth.
Oh, that kind of help.
Sam, we cannot hide this.
What if we buy a new one?
Where? It was her grandmother's mug. You cannot buy another one.
What if we paint a new one?
Paint a new one.
I am good at art.
Sam, that mug is irreplaceable.
What does irreplaceable mean?
It means you cannot replace it.
Oh, that is a useful word.
This is not the time for vocabulary, Sam.
Sorry.
Irreplaceable. Irreplaceable means something you cannot replace. There is only one. You cannot buy a new one.
For example, my grandmother's mug is irreplaceable. A memory is irreplaceable. The people you love are irreplaceable, irreplaceable, irreplaceable.
I'm home! Something smells good. Did someone cook? Did someone cook? I really need my coffee. It was such a long day. That is strange. Where is my...
Hi, Maya. How was your day? You look very nice today. Sam, where is my mug?
What mug?
Sam.
Which one?
The blue one. With the sun.
I may have had a small accident. I was just looking at it, and then I was throwing it a little bit, and then it went too high. And then the lamp? I am really, really sorry, Maya. I tried to fix it with superglue, but then my fingers got stuck and...
Sam said, I am really, really sorry. I am sorry. This is how we apologize in English. We can also say, I am really sorry, or I am so sorry. I am sorry I was late. I am really sorry for breaking your mug. I am so sorry. I did not mean to hurt you. I am sorry. I am really sorry. I told you not to touch it.
I know.
This morning.
I know.
You looked me in the eyes and said I would never touch your mug.
I know.
And then you touched it.
I am really sorry. Are you very angry? I am.
Sad, Sam. That mug was from Grandma.
I know. I am sorry.
It was the last thing I had from her in the kitchen.
I did not mean to break it. I just thought it was beautiful, like you always say. So I wanted to look at it more closely. And then I thought if I throw it, I could see the sun painting in the light and...
You were trying to see the sun in the light?
It sounded more logical before I said it out loud. Sam, I am still sorry, though. Very sorry.
I know you are. And I forgive you.
Already?
Already.
I forgive you. This is how we accept an apology in English. When someone says sorry, you can say, I forgive you.
You can also say it is okay, or do not worry about it, or no problem. I understand. I forgive you. It is okay. But Sam,
Yes?
next time you think something is beautiful, just tell me. You do not have to throw it.
Okay. Okay, deal.
So what will you do with the pieces? I do not know yet. Maybe I can make something with them.
Like what?
Maybe a small picture frame, or put them in a glass jar.
That is actually really beautiful, Maya.
Thank you, Sam.
Maya,
Yes?
I learned a new word today.
What word?
Irreplaceable.
Do you know what it means?
Yes. It means something you cannot replace. Like Grandma's mug. And like you.
Sam broke the mug. He tried to hide it. He failed. But he told the truth. And sometimes, the truth is better than a perfect mug. Maya still misses her mug. But now, every time she looks at the pieces in the glass, and Sam learned two very important things that day. Do not throw things that belong to other people. Irreplaceable does not only mean objects.
Always tell the truth.
See you in the next video. Bye!